I've still got to pull it over a bit.
Yeah.
I put one mount on, but after I let the jack off, it swung backwards a bit.
Yeah.
So I'm going to use a bit of this rubber. I have to find some L brackets. I'll put a bit around there, like put one of those to there, and then screw a bit of rubber up under here and put the rubber to the L bracket, and then pull it back to about there.
Okay.
Just so it's not so far in.
Yeah.
But it's just, it went back with the swing of the mount and shit.
Real men hard at work. Just put on a new exhaust system. Twin pipes coming out the side that pop out the rear wheels. Hot dogs, and she sounds pretty sweet. Here we go. Traction control. You dug a giant hole, like the wheel's way in the ground. She's a beast now. She truly roars like a beast.